Hey, what's going on, guys? John Erickson here, reading for Detective Kais. Thanks a lot for the opportunity to work with you. Love what I see so far. This is insane. Out of all my years working on the force, I've never seen anything of this magnitude. Ever. Now, I've witnessed a lot of horrific crime scenes in my time, but this is by far the most horrific. Any witnesses?
One female, African American, around 23, 26 years old.
I need to speak with her.
Good luck with that. She was nearly beaten to death and they cut her tongue out. She's in ICU.
Oh, Jesus. Can't believe it.
Well, believe it because it's real and it's here. Detective Griffin. Kais, I'd like you to meet former detective and crime scene investigator, Pat Griffin.
It's a pleasure.
Likewise.
You witnessed a murder like this before?
Years ago, but it wasn't as alarming an area as this one. The one I witnessed led to my retirement. Are you to believe that this is the work of the council? No, not even close. The council was a vigilante group who murdered crooked cops, not church pastors.
Based on the information we have on him, he was far from innocent.
Far from innocent, but not deserving of this. Whoever did this was making a statement, sending out a message, and this message the council don't send. What is it? What is that note on the knife? Pseudo profeta?
What does that mean?
It's Latin for false prophet.
Any advice?
Leave town or stay out of the way. Kais, are you a religious man?
No. Why?
Advice? Find God and join a religion.
I thought you were supposed to join a religion and then find God.
No, you find God first. It's a war going on that you don't want to get caught in the middle. Whoever did this wanted us